Hi guys, this is going to be a quick 5-minute tutorial on how to install the SDL library onto code blocks using a Mac. So we're going to search for SDL, go to the SDL homepage, SDL 2.0, and you're going to have a number of options here, but you want the source code and you want SDL 2-2.0.3.tar.gz. Let's go load here. Now when you open this up, it will obviously extract the files, and it's put mine in my downloads folder. You don't need to worry about that anymore, but this you can move and put it somewhere simpler or easier for you to get to if you want, but download is easy enough for this. What we'll do now is go to our terminal window, and we are going to change the directory to access downloads. Obviously if you moved your folder somewhere else, you will need the location of wherever the folder is. And then we just need the name of the file. So once we've got into the name of the file, you want ./ and then you want to write configure, and that'll just build quickly. And the next command you want to use is make. Now this one takes a little bit longer, so I thought I'd quickly tell you that the reason I'm actually doing this video is I just installed SDL2 for code blocks today on my Mac running Yosemite. I found no good tutorials on how to install it with any IDE, with the exception of Xcode, which I personally don't like as an IDE, and I've always used code blocks. And I couldn't find any good tutorial on it, so I thought I'd make a quick 5-minute video to help people who had the same problems as I did today through it. Hopefully it'll save you an hour of headaches. Okay, and the final command you're going to do is sudo make install. Now it's asking me for a password. If you're not an administrator on your machine, or you have a password on it, that should be the password it needs. If you don't have a password, it shouldn't ask for any. And that's that bit done. So next, to save a little bit of time going forward, what you should do is go to your Finder and go to folder, and you want to type in /usr/go, and what you need to do is this local file here, you'll want to drag it and put it on your favorites icon. It'll make finding the right folder when we're pointing your compiler to the right location a lot easier. That's that. Now onto the compiler. So obviously we're using code blocks, and we'll create a new project, and the project can be called Okay, now I don't know if you can see this at the top, but I'm clicking settings and going to my compiler, and here is where we are going to link our libraries and our header files. So search directories, and you want to go to linker first. Scroll down, you want to click add and click there. This is where you keep your local to the side. So local, and you want the full lib folder for this one. Okay. Next, that's the compiler, and this is where you're going to put all your header files. So same again, you click browse, local, to include SDL2. Now you want the folder where all the header files are in. A lot of the tutorials will tell you to put the include folder in, but if there is another subfolder within include where the header files are kept, that's the folder that you need to choose. So in this case it's SDL2. And finally, it's the linker settings, and this is where we're going to link the libraries. So it's add, again, local libraries, and we want libsdl_testa, libsdl-2.0.0.dylib, libsdl2.a, and we also want main, but we do not want the second dylib, so we'll do that separately. Click add again, and we want that one. Okay, and that is it for the compiler. Just click OK, and now we'll put some code in. So here I have just a text edit file with a chunk of code in that I just got from, I think it was from the SDL website, to test that it's working. So paste that in, build the project, built, run it, and there we go. There's our SDL window. And that's how you install SDL using CodeBlocks. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.